Hello everyone, today we will learn how to crochet this easy and beautiful yet very traditional beanie. The pattern for this hat is born out of the traditional shawl called Bazing Pwan, which is worn by the proud community of Inpui residing in Manipur and Nagaland, a northeastern part of India. So without further ado, let's get to the pattern. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn in black color for the main body. With this, we are going to make a magic ring into which we will put 10 double crochet. Chain up 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Two double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, sorry, we are just supposed to put 10 double crochet. Alright, now after putting 10 double crochet into the magic ring, just pull the tail and close up the gap. Slip stitch it to the third chain of the beginning chain 3. Slip stitch it. For the next round, we will begin by chaining up 3. Chain 3. Put double crochet into the same space where you had chained up. So in this round, we are going to put 2 double crochet increase in every stitch all around. Double crochet once again into the same place, 1 more double crochet, 2 double crochet into this space, and so on. You will have 20 double crochet after you complete the round. Continue putting 2 double crochet all around, and I will meet you after the round. So once you are done, slip stitch it to the top of chain 3. Next round, chain up 3. Now this chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Into the next space, put 2 double crochet. In the previous round, we had put double crochet increase all around. Here we will put 1 double crochet here and 2 double crochet increase here. Once again, 1 double crochet into this space and 2 double crochet into the next space. 1 and 2 double crochet increase. Do this all around. Complete the round by slip stitching it to the third chain of the beginning chain 3. Next round, chain up 3, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and increase. 1 more into the same space, and that's an increase. Once again, 1, 2, then and increase here, 2 double crochet. Do this all around and complete the round by slip stitching it to the third chain of the chain 3. Next round, chain up 3, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then an increase in this round. So this 3, and then we will increase here, do the next 3 and increase there. Increase by putting 2 double crochet into the same space, then put 3 double crochet into the next 3 spaces, 2 and 3, and increase in the next stitch, 1, 2. Do this all around. In the next round, we will chain up 3, counts as 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and now in this round we will have 4 double crochet, then an increase here in the next stitch, 1, 2 double crochet into the same space. Now once again, 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet, then an increase, 2 double crochet into the same space. Do this all around for this row also. Now for the next round, one double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, and then an increase in the next stitch, 1, 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now increase in this very stitch by putting 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Do this all around. Now the round is complete. Next round we will increase again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we will increase here. 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we will increase in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Do this all around. For the next round, we will do 7 double crochet, then increase. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and increase here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and increase in the next stitch. If your head is small, you can start the decrease round after this round, but I'm making a larger one, so I will put one more round of increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 double crochet. Then we will put an increase in the next stitch, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, after which we will put an increase in the next stitch, 1 and 2 double crochet. Do this all around. So what I've done so far is increase the size of the circle, and this is important as the size of the circle will determine how big or small our beanie will turn out to be. Now, this is the round where shape of the beanie will take form. Chain up 3 and double crochet all around in every stitch. There's no increase or decrease, just double crochet in every stitch, and we will do this for 6 rounds. It's just a simple double crochet for 6 rounds, so I'll not waste your time in showing you how to do for each round. I hope you're following the tutorial okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment and I'll get back to you at my best. Alright, continue to double crochet all around and I will meet you after the completion of 6 rounds then. So then, after the completion of 6 rounds, you can see that it has begun to take the shape of the head or the beanie. Now, what we will do next is we are gonna change the color. For the traditional pattern, we will be joining the red yarn here. So, at the end of this round, we will slip stitch it, but not with the black yarn. We will slip stitch it with the red yarn, and as I usually do, I would like to make a slip knot and slip stitch it just like that. Chain up 1, pull all the tails, secure the stitch, and cut off the black yarn. There's nothing fancy in this one also, it's just a round of double crochet. So chain 3, which is counted as 1 double crochet. Taking the strangler of both the black and red yarn, we will double crochet. Double crochet all around. We will join the orange yarn here as before. Cut off the red yarn, chain up 3 and double crochet all around. Make sure you take the strangler along as you crochet. This way you don't have to hide the ends later on. So it's just another simple round of double crochet. We join the green color here. And double crochet all around. Now, once these 3 yarns are joined and done, we will go ahead with the black one again with the main body color of the beanie, and we will crochet this for 3 more rounds. After the 3 round of black yarn, we will do the brim. So continue to crochet for 3 rounds, and after the 3 round, we will do our brim. If you see, the head is taking shape. So when you turn your work like this, you can see how it is growing, and the brim will come here. For the brim, we just do a round of single crochet, chain up 1 and single crochet all around for 12 rounds. 12 rounds of single crochet for the brim, and that is it. It is that simple and that easy to make. So go ahead and do your 12 rounds of brim, and I will see you. And this is how your brim looks like after 12 rounds of single crochet. Hide all extra tails, and that is it for this very easy Inpui traditional beanie. If you'd like to see more such videos, consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. You've been amazing today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.